So, I've been scammed. Where do I start? So I've been selling some toy cars on behalf of a client, and the toy cars have been doing quite well. One of them came back with damage done to it, and I will show you. This was a car that was absolutely pristine. It was screwed down in this box, so this car was destroyed. This is what we got back. What I can see, other than glue, the exhaust wrecked off it, the wheels snapped off it. The wheels weren't returned, were they? No. So the wheels were not returned on it. I would assume there's a possibility that's the way it was left back. Now, we found out the item was sent safely to the UK, and then that person resold our goods to a customer in Spain, who then sent it in bad damage. So they sent it via a Spanish dispatch system, and it was destroyed, and the Spanish customer sent it back, and the reseller from the UK had sent it back to us, asking us to give them their money back. Unacceptable. We were scammed. How much is the money? £111. It's £111 that the person got their money back. Now, we reported this now to eBay, and we've just got it back. Now, it hasn't come into our account still, because I checked last night, because I've already checked. It's not in my account. So we had to fill in a form stating a legal fact that was not the car that we sent out. It's disgraceful. I mean, it's totally destroyed. I don't know how the hell they destroyed it. Do you work this out? Is it possible that it was broken and they sent back the broken one?
Yes.
There are bits missing off it.
Yes.
There are a lot of bits missing off it, to be honest with you. And it is the Spanish Monte Carlo one. That's the Ascona 400 Rally. So whoever bought it, I believe, tried to scam us. eBay have seen in our favour, because we've documented, we've all the evidence documented, and eBay have said that we've got our money back, right? It's either a swap out, or someone from the UK has sold it and then sent it on and damaged it during the next level of dispatch and thought, well, we can pay for the damage. Now, it didn't take a long time to be delivered, but it took a long time to be returned back. So what I would believe that's happened is the reseller from the UK opened up a return, but wanted it back from Spain first before they sent it back to us. That's why it took so long to be sent back. But eBay saw in our favour, and we got our money back. Sorry to interrupt you. Most of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, so please like, subscribe, and please click on the alert button. Thanks for watching. Allegedly. Now, I have to check to see if it's in my account, but as far as I'm concerned, that is now binned. Totally binned. And it's a shame that we still have scammers. Now, scam number one over. We will put them on the wall of shame. Do you know the customer's name? We will put the customer's name on the wall of shame, and we'll put it up here on the wall of the scammers. All right, get a board and put the wall of shame up, and you basically call it the Sunstar swap out scam, or the Sunstar I didn't deliver it, I didn't damage it on my delivery to Spain scam. We'll put it on the wall of shame. Number one, Mr. Swap out. Right, Dino. So this is another scam. So we've got two scams. Right, what's going on?
And this is another seemingly swap out scam. We're selling these PS4 DVD drives in brand new condition in the box with its own bubble wrap around it. We had sent it out to the customer. The customer then had started a return stating that the item was faulty and had sent it back to us. Now, the condition that it came back to us was a bit different to the condition that we sent it out. And you can see that there's missing screws. Bend within the ribbon as well would let me to believe that this has been sitting like this for a while.
So that's probably come out of the old PS4.
Swapped
Is it a
out.
PS4 or a PS5?
PS4. There was also a bracket that used to cover this.
Show on the phone the detailed differences. So there's the ribbon there. That's the ribbon. That's one of the ribbons there. And as you can see, there's a couple of things, and there's our ribbon. So you can notice that's not even the same item. We know that has been swapped out. There's another scammer. So it seems to be we're on the rise with scams again. So keep going, Dean.
We have opened a case with eBay. We're currently fighting it at the moment. And all we need to do then is document everything that we have so far. It's exactly the same as the car. Taking photos of the missing screws, the change in ribbon, and fingers crossed that eBay will side with us the same way as the car. But this is the perfect example of a swap out scam. It's very, very obvious, this one. Some others maybe aren't as obvious as this one, but this one here came across and we were all a bit devious of it. We weren't too sure of it, and the further we looked into it, there was just more things pointing out as well that it was clearly a swap out. And they've just sent us back their faulty item and kept our brand new item and put it into the PlayStation.
So, what I can tell you here from what I can see is this. eBay are now going on about buyer protection again. La 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 la, buyer protection, la 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 la, buyer protection. Suddenly the scams go up and rise. This is it. You know, you're advertising to the customers, we protect you as a buyer, so just send back your faulty shit and we'll protect you as a buyer. Ultimately, am I getting paid? I'm not getting paid by the eBay, am I?
I think it could, because with the appeals, whenever I was first on the phone with the car, we have to actually automatically let the case go through, so the customer will actually get our money. Then we have to start an appeal through that. And I believe, I don't know if eBay maybe take the money off the customer or if eBay refund them out of our own pocket. I need to look into that maybe a little bit more. But it seems that you have to wait until the case is closed first before you can actually start an appeal.
See, this is our eBay. This is eBay once again. Last week they were talking about buyer protection. Our scams starting to rise again. They talk about seller protection and everything seems to be hunky-dory. We never seem to have problematic customers. Every time eBay change the rules, new things happen, new things start to happen. And a scale that I'm at, when you're doing 100 to 150 sales possibly per day, and at the weekends we've got 300 odd sales. Saying that, at the minute sales are still down. I'd said I'll keep you updated on that. And this is mid-January 2025. The scams are now on the way up. So anyone that's watching this that wants to try and scam me, be careful. I'm watching. We're watching very carefully. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the alert button. And yeah, am I walking off again? Yeah, I'll walk off. No.